Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how do you determine the y-intercept in graphing. It really depends on what kind of function that you have. If you have a line, it's pretty easy to do, but if you don't have a line, then you go for the surefire way of this particular method that we'll talk about shortly. But if you know that your graph is going to be a line, there's one particular equation that's especially useful for that, and that is y equals mx plus b. Now, this is the slope-intercept form of the equation, and the b is known for the y-intercept. So if you have an equation in this particular form, finding the y-intercept is going to be pretty easy to do. But if you have any other function that you know it's not going to be a line, whether it be a curve or some other graph, then the surefire way is to find the y-intercept is simply you let the x equal to 0, so plug in 0 for x, and then solve for y. Now you can do this for all functions, lines, curves, what have you, but basically, as long as you let x equal 0 and you solve for y, you'll have your y-intercept. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how you determine the y-intercept in graphing.